Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I am Ayush and in this video we are going to discuss about the Apple event, which is probably the last event of this year. So we are going to discuss about everything about this Apple event. So let's get started. In the last event, Apple released Apple M1 chip, new MacBook Air and a MacBook Pro, macOS Big Sur and Mac Mini. We are going to discuss all about it. Usually, the processors of the laptop is made by Intel, AMD, and the top GPU manufacturing companies are Nvidia, AMD, Asus and Intel. But Apple officially announced that Apple itself will make a chips for their laptops. So let's quickly discuss about the benefits of this chip. First, you can use the iOS apps on the laptops, and the second thing, it has better security, and then it has 3.5 times faster than before. Until now, the Mac needed many chips to perform any task. It had CPU and IO and memory and lots of chip, but now everything is combined in a single chip, which is M1. So the main thing, that is unified memory architecture. That means all the components can use the same memory without copying and using it. M1 chips are only chips that is made with 5 nanometer technology, and it has the most number of transistors ever used in a chip, and the number of transistors is 16 billion great transistors. So now let's go a bit deeper into these chips. First, it has 8-core CPU which has better performance and high efficiency, and it has the world's fastest CPU core, and M1 gives the 2 times better performance and uses only quarter or 1/4 of power. It has best graphics in the GPU in M1 at the 8 core of GPU. And now let's again compare the GPU and a GPU in other laptops. GPU in M1 is 2 times better, has 2 times better performance and uses only 1/3 of the power to give the same amount of graphics. M1 has the world's #1 integrated graphics. M1 has 16-core neural engine. M1 also has a secure enclave to give you the best security. So that is all about the M1 chip. So now let us discuss about macOS Big Sur. macOS Big Sur is the best OS that has now with a new updates for many apps such as Safari and Messages. Now your Mac will go to sleep very fast, just like the iPhones and iPads. Now you can launch an app very quickly, and Safari, which is the world's fastest browser, probably works well with the Apple Silicon. Big Sur is more responsive than before. Editing is very smooth. From editing your videos or photos to playing a heavy games, everything is very easy. It has very quiet performance and better battery life. So now in this Macs, a MacBook Pro 13-inch and MacBook Pro, it doesn't have any fans, and Apple claims that it is the world's quietest laptop. From using the iMovie to GarageBand, everything is with ease, and you can now use the iOS apps on your Macs as well. Apple has released 2 new MacBooks, which is MacBook Air 13-inch and MacBook Pro and a Mac Mini. everything is pretty much same, but the chip and the macOS are different. And as you know, the combination of M1 and the Big Sur gives you a whole new best experience. So that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.